going on, everybody? Sadistic Picker here, and today we're going to do this 5260 that was gifted to me by Picksmith. I think it deserves a camera shot, and it's just a 5200 beefed up, bigger shackle, bigger body, heavier duty. And you just gotta work it lightly like you would an 1100. Nice and easy, getting little clicks. Number 2, big clicks. I think I overset that. I did. Holy cow. Man, that's easy to overset. There we go, little click. Little click and little core movement off of that one. Woo! Good click off of that one. Nothing off of that one. Couple clicks on that one. That was number 2. Here's number 1. Couple little clicks on number 1. Click off of 3. Couple clicks off 4. Or was that 5? That was 5. I overset something. Let it go, start over again. We're gonna work from the back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back and see nothing on 3. Click on 4. Couple clicks on 5. Nothing on 4. Click on 3. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 1. Huh. Something don't feel right. It's that one. That one just mushroomed. Okay. Pain in the ass. 3 minutes in, I still haven't got this. And I did the first time. And start in the back again. Little click, little click, little click, and some core movement. Little click on 1. Little click on 4. Couple clicks on 5. Oh, that went too far. There we go. There into a little set now. Oh, there we go. Got some good core movement there. All right, I think we're almost done with this. Let's see. I'm gonna work. Oh, I think I went too far. Shit. Oh, got that, got that. Got that one. Yep, I just need to work this a little bit. Okay, got that set. I put that back in there a little bit. All right, now I need to find the next one. That makes the pin move there. Oh, I think it's number 3 here. Isn't it number 3? Or is it number 2? Oh, number 1? Oh, it's number 1. That's it. Ta-da! That only took 7 minutes. Jesus Christ. Let's see. Actually, that's not a good idea. That's my pick. That's the worst thing you can use to pry something up with. Why isn't it coming out all nice and... There it goes. Jiminy Christmas. Which I need to get a couple of these things right here. This keeps somebody from just being able to stick a piece of piano wire or something and turn the actuator. These are very important for 1100s, 5200s, and I need to get a few of them. Let's see here. Where is my little tiny baby follower? Do I have enough time? I should have enough time. Oh, isn't that cute? I think it's cute. And if you don't know the trick, you can always use a AAA battery. That's what I used for a long time. Where is... Oh, come on. And I have to shim this because, well, because of the end. I don't have the right type, so it gives a big old gap right there. Oh, where's the key? All right. Pull out that shim. Start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They should key these up to 6. And there probably are ones that you can buy that are keyed up to 6. It's probably just a different model. There's a threaded spool in 1. Threaded spool in 2. Threaded spool in 3. Are these all? Am I sensing a theme here? Oh, serrated in number 4. I knew I felt the serrated. I heard all them clicks. And serrated in number 5. Wow. I thought that they would be a little bit different. And nothing done to the Bible or the chamber. Man, these would be really cool if they threaded out their cores. Or the other chambers. The plugs. Which is what I'm going to be doing to a few of these here real soon. I'm going to make some American lock challenge locks to send about. Okay, so let's get everybody a good look. On these pins. Aren't them cool? All right. So that's it, everybody. Hit the like button, make a comment, ask a question. Thanks for participating and watching my video today.